Hello guys, so this is the battery cell, the positive cell that we make yesterday. So we made this battery during life season. So the life during the life season I started the preparation from the beginning to the end, and I explained so many things about what you people are seeing right here, ranging from the grit and the chemical being pasted on the grit. So sorry if you missed that video, but you missed a lot though. So actually, this cell is gotten from 200 amps solar battery. So whereby the positive cell got destroyed, and then we are trying to make another positive cell so that we will be able to wake that 200 amps battery. So this cell now, we make it yesterday and we are trying to dry it out. After drying, we then oxidize it, and this reddish color or pinky color stuff is going to change to dark color, and there we're going to have electricity being stored on this, because that's actually what used to happen. After oxidation, everything will be able to hold down electricity, and then we are good to go. So what you are seeing here is a complete battery cell made by us, or let me say made by me. So if you want to see the remaining process, you would like to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I come on live to proceed with the steps, you'll be notified by TikTok, and then you'll be able to join the live and you not miss anything out. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in the live season when we were going to oxidize. Hi guys. So the oxidation process is still going on. As you can see, the red cell is now getting uh, darker. I don't know if you can see the color, but this is the positive cell that we made, and it was pinky red before, and now it's getting darker. It has brownish chocolate color right now, so it's going to get dark completely after the oxidation. So it's still on process, and as you can see, this is the power supply we are using. Is now I injected 2.50 volts, and it's now taking 2.55 amps. So it was taking 1 amp the first minute we connected it, and now, so as the thing is oxidizing, as the cell is oxidizing, the arms is going to be increasing. So this is, we took our current, we are taking our current from this car battery, this 75 amps. So this is inverter case, but we work the power supply inside it. This is not an inverter, it's a power supply. We worked it inside. So, and then we modified the voltage to 2.50 volts. So this is the current being drawn by the cell as it's oxidizing right now. And as you can see, if I don't know if you can see what's going on inside, there is some bubbles. There is a smaller bubble coming up from inside the hydrolyte. So that means it's still, everything is working perfectly. If I increase the voltage, the bubble is going to be like coming up like very fast, but I don't want to use that method because it's not advisable. If I inject too much current into it, it's going to uh, make some kind of unnecessary holes on the grid, and I don't want that. I want it to be perfect. That's why I'll patiently wait for it to finish the oxidation very slowly. So this is after oxidation, and the oxidation is done. You can see the reddish plate has now turned to black. So from the beginning of the video, before the oxidation, the grid was pinky red, and now you can see it's completely black. So this is the view of everything that make up the battery. The negative side cell in the middle, positive cell uh, at the beginning and at the end. So the power supply is still injecting 1.24 amps. So the current is still being drawn from that same car battery. So everything work perfectly. The only thing remaining now, guys, is to test the current. So after the oxidation, okay, we made the battery successfully, paste it on the grid, oxidize it, and it changed the color successfully, which means it oxidized. So now remaining to test the current and see if there is a current stored after removing power from it. So now the first test we are going to do is we are going to attach a clamp meter, which is our current meter, and test and try to short the battery, like to bridge it together to see how many amps could be able to flow, like how many amps the cell we build is going to pass, how many amps is going to release. So that's the first thing we're going to check. So let's pin the cloud meter to the negative side of the part of the cell. So we have on our multimeter, you can see. So now the first bridge. So look closely to the cloud meter, to the amp meter, so that we're going to see as I shunt the two wires. So guys, this is 4.4 is the highest peak current that the battery released. So that's a lot, guys. 24.4 amps. So now the second test, we're going to use a very tiny wire, a very tiny conductive wire, and bridge them together at night to see the spark we're gonna get. So get ready for that. That's what I'm preparing to do now. So I don't want the video to be very long, that's why I have to speed it up at this stage. So wait for it, guys. I'm going to off the light so that we'll see it very clear. Wow, guys, do you see that? Okay, I'm gonna try it again so that you people see it. So from here, you guys should know our battery. Okay, you see that? You see that? Wow. So from there, you see that our battery is perfectly okay now. So what to do next is to do a bunch of this positive cell, and then stack like 10 of it, that as normal 200 amps battery comes, to see the current we are going to have. So this everything, this is the what made of the battery. I remove it from the electrolyte after been testing because I want to dry it out, since that's just for testing. And as you can see, everything is okay, guys. So if you want to follow this project and see how I will progress the work till the end, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, like the video. You can share to anybody you know this might be beneficial to. Also follow me on TikTok. The username is short fix on TikTok, because that's where I go live whenever I'm in the process of making things like this and other stuff. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next